Mike Sullivan. I'm a former IRS agent. I was a teaching instructor when I was there. I've worked thousands of IRS cases, and I just got to. I do a lot of YouTubes. I've been doing this a long time. I am an expert in this matter, and many people they question me when I tell them you only have to file the last 6 years. And that's okay that you do that. You should. You should question anyone telling you something that really does not make sense. So, why does IRS have this policy statement of only filing the last 6 years? Well, as an agent, I will tell you if IRS made you file the last 30 years and you didn't, and because you didn't file for 30 years, would you have records? The answer is no. If we asked you to file 20 years, would you be able to? No, you wouldn't have. How about 10? No, you don't have records. What IRS found, the reason for the policy is they thought that most people would have records going back 6 years because banks keep records for 6 years. So knowing that, IRS kind of drew an umbrella or a boundary on why they only wanted to go 6 years. I think 6 years is actually too much. I think 5 years or 4 years is more like it. But because banks have records that long, IRS feels that you can go ahead and reconstruct a tax return on those bank records. So as an agent, when I got cases for 6 years, working those cases, I probably found less than 10% actually got the records or cured. But I want you to know why that policy statement was there. I think IRS did make a smart decision in asking for the last 6 years, but I just want the public to know I'm doing this video being a former IRS agent. I'm an expert in this. I also have a book. I don't sell my book here, but I'm just trying to tell you, I know what I'm talking about. The last 6 years is a gift. Keep in mind that estates, some of them want you to file all your returns, 20 years, 10 years. So IRS is actually giving you a break and a gift, believe it or not. So anyway, that's the explanation. If you need to get your tax returns reconstructed, you don't have records, obviously, you may want to call me. I've been doing this a long time. Anyway, that's the best explanation I can give you for the 6 year rule. It's 100% accurate. Thank you so very much. I appreciate your listening. You may want to share this with someone who hasn't filed returns. If you haven't done that, and just let them know, only 6 years. Give me a subscription if you would. I try to share with you really cool stuff. Thank you.